the weirdest animal diets on Earth. Hey everyone, and welcome to the channel. Today, we're diving into the wild world of weird animal diets. Forget your basic burgers and fries. We're talking about creatures with eating habits so strange, they'll make your stomach churn, or maybe just make you hungry for something new. Get ready to explore the bizarre side of the food chain. Let's kick things off with an animal that seems pretty normal at first glance. The giant panda. I mean, who doesn't love a fluffy bear munching on bamboo? But here's the thing. Pandas are technically carnivores. Yep, they belong to the order Carnivora, but their diet is 99% bamboo. Now, bamboo is not exactly the most nutritious food out there. It's basically plant fiber, which means pandas have to eat a lot of it, like 26 to 84 pounds a day. To make things even weirder, they still have the digestive system of a carnivore, which isn't great at breaking down plant matter. So, they're basically these adorable bamboo-munching oddities that defy categorization. Occasionally, they'll hunt for pikas or other small rodents. Next up, we're heading to Central and South America to meet a creature of the night, the vampire bat. These bats have a pretty straightforward diet. They drink blood. They use their razor-sharp teeth to make a small incision in their prey, usually livestock like cows or horses. And here's a mythbuster. They don't drain the animal dry. They consume only a small amount before flying off, leaving the animal unharmed. It is bizarre, but it works for them. They may feed on cows, pigs, horses, and birds, and occasionally bite humans for blood. Now, let's meet a predator with a truly terrifying appetite. The Komodo dragon. These massive reptiles are basically living dinosaurs, and their diet reflects that. They're carnivores, and they'll eat just about anything they can get their claws on, including deer, wild boars, and even smaller Komodo dragons. What makes their diet so bizarre is their feeding behavior. They have incredibly strong jaws and sharp teeth that allow them to tear through meat and bone. Plus, they have a venomous bite that helps them take down large prey. They are also known to eat carrion, taking advantage of the dead animals they find in their environment. Their slow metabolism and large stomachs allow them to eat massive amounts of food in a single meal. All right, brace yourselves, because things are about to get a little gross. We're talking about the dung beetle. These beetles have a pretty self-explanatory diet. They eat feces from other animals. They roll it into balls, which they store as food for themselves or their larvae. While it might seem disgusting to us, dung beetles actually play a crucial ecological role. By breaking down waste, they help return nutrients to the soil. Let's move on to something a little less disgusting, but equally bizarre. The star-nosed mole. These little guys have a unique feature, a star-shaped nose with 22 fleshy tentacles. They primarily feed on insects, small amphibians, and aquatic invertebrates. What makes their diet unusual is the speed and precision with which they hunt. The star-nosed mole can locate and consume food at an astonishing rate, finding and eating items within fractions of a second. Their star-shaped nose is their main tool for detecting prey, making their diet both highly specialized and incredibly fast-paced. Time to meet a carnivore with a sweet tooth, the mongoose. These furry meat-eaters have been caught on camera, slinking up to sugarbush flowers and drinking their nectar. And that's just not something carnivores usually do. If they vary their fleshy diet, it's usually with fruit, not nectar. The flowers have a cheese-like smell, so it's possible the animals were initially drawn to what smelled like carbs or protein. But the researchers think they return for the sugar rush, as the nectar is about 30% sugar by weight. The mongooses accounted for a little less than half of all visits recorded for one of the species of sugarbush observed. They were even seen carefully pushing leaves aside to gain access to that sweet juice. And after the mongooses had their fill, they left with snouts covered in pollen, leading researchers to believe they could be acting as pollinators. So, there you have it. a glimpse into the weird and wonderful world of animal diets. From bamboo-munching pandas to blood-sucking bats and poop-eating beetles, the animal kingdom is full of creatures with truly bizarre eating habits. Which of these diets surprised you the most? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more fascinating animal facts. Thanks for watching.